Hello everyone, it's the monotone guy back here again. I just want to talk about sublimating 20-ounce tumblers in a toaster oven. I've almost got this guy ready to go in. I'll get the heat shrink on it, then we'll talk about the toaster oven. Okay, I got my tumbler shrink wrapped now. Let's get it in the oven. We'll talk about the oven for a bit. Watch your fingers when you're putting it in there. I'll set my timer. So, what I have my oven set at is approximately 380 degrees Fahrenheit, and the tumbler will be in there for 7 minutes. I can fit 2 tumblers in here if I want. Watching other videos, it says halfway through the process you should open it and turn the tumblers. I used to do it, now I don't. I just leave it in there. There is a small fan in that corner that moves the air around. They recommend that you use a convection style oven. I've had good success with this method, and I think they come out just fine. From my other videos, I think my tumblers look pretty good. And we'll see how this guy comes out. We'll give it 7 minutes and we'll come back and talk a little more about it. We're about halfway through the 7 minutes now. I do have a thermometer inside. I don't trust the dial here, but they are pretty close to each other. I've had good luck with this unit. I think it cost around $95. You don't have to buy a new one. You can go to a garage sale or wherever you think you can get one. We'll give it another couple minutes and we'll take it out. And we're almost ready to come out. There's our timer. There, I'll just get my glove on. There, I'll get my glove on, pull this guy out. And we'll let it cool here for a little bit. There, I've let it cool off for a little bit here. Let's peel it and see how it looks. I just use a scissors and a pick to break the tape. Just be careful not to scratch your mug. And we'll have a look, see how it comes out. There, come out pretty darn good. There's a seam It lines up pretty good. No ghosting. So you can use a toaster oven for sublimation and it works just fine. Just watch your temperature, has to stay up around 380 Fahrenheit. And you'll have good luck doing what you're doing. I just want to say thank you for my new subscribers. Please subscribe, like, and share. Keep this channel moving forward. Thank you very much for watching.